the square root of 61. So because I'm going to the hundredths place, I'm going to have 2 decimal points. So I need to multiply that by 2 and add 2. That's the rule. That's what I do for how many place values I need. So that's adding 6 zeros. And then I'm going to pair them up starting at the right side. So these pair and these pair and these pair, and then 61 pairs. So I'm going to look at that 61. That's my first set. And I'm going to find a square on my right side that does not go over 61. It gets as close as I can without going over. So 49 and 64. 64 is too many, so I'm going to start with 49. So the square root of 49 is 7. So I'm going to put that above the pair of 61. I'm then going to square it. So 7 squared is 49. That's why I picked this number, because it didn't go over. And I get 12 when I subtract there. That 7 is going to become what I first call my magic number. 7 is my first magic number. That first one always gets doubled. So 7 times 2 is 14. Ooh, scrolling down. Okay, so 7 times 2 is 14. I'm going to put that over to the side. So 14 is my first number. Next, I'm going to look for my next digit in my magic numbers. So I'm going to pull down the next set of zeros, and I'm going to start this process over again. You've seen this written 2 different ways, either 140 plus something times that same something, or I just like to write 140 something times that same something is less than or equal to that number that you just got, so 1200. So you're going to guess and check here. I'm going to guess this number is going to be pretty high. I'm going to try 149 first. 9 times 9, what am I doing, is 81. 36 plus 8 is 44. That is too many, so that did not work for me. So instead of trying 9, I'm going to go down to 8. 148 times 8, 38. Perfect, so that's under. So my magic number here is an 8. So I'm going to put that 8 over here. I'm also going to put it above that pair that I just did. 148 times 8, I got 1184, so that's what I'm starting with. When I subtract that, I'm going to get 16. Next, I'm going to pull down my next set of magic zeros. Magic zeros, it's just zeros. My magic numbers are on the left side. So that magic 8 that I got, I'm going to multiply that by 2 to get 16. Okay, each time I doubled it, or each time I'm going to double it, just like at the top. So that 1, because this number is greater than 9, it's got 2 digits. That 1, instead of writing 14, that 1's place is going to make my 4 change into a 5. And then I'm going to put my 6 right in there. So I got 1, 5, 6, and then I'm going to start again. So 1, 5, 6 something times that same something is going to be less than or equal to 1600. Well, this number, at 1560 something is not that much less. So 2 would be too many. So I'm going to start with 1. 1's going to be my magic number. That's going to be 1561. I also put the 1 up here above that pair of zeros that I brought down before. I'm going to subtract that, and I get 39. And I still got to go one more time. I got another set of zeros. So bring down to 0, 0. I'm going to double my magic number. I get 15, 6, 2, and then something. Okay. So 1, 5, 6, 2 something times that same something. And this time I have 3,900 less than 3,900. Well, I already have a number that's 15,000 and something. So that's already less than 3,900. So this, the only thing it could be is a 0. So my magic number here is 0. I'm going to put that above my double digits. If I did that, I'd get 0, and I get 3,900, which I could keep going down with if I needed more decimal place values. I'm bringing up that decimal. I got 781. Our problem tells us to solve for the hundredths place, so I'm going to look to the right. That 0 makes the 1 stay the same, so 7.81.